Hi everyone. Before we start our project, I just want to acknowledge the contents and the good material that was provided by Karim Adam. So the model has been used in this tutorial. It is was provided by Karim Adam on his channel, and also this tutorial was taught in Arabic, so I saw it is a good idea to convert this into English version, so people can get more benefits of from this material and based on the model he created or the tutorial he did. So you can, if you speak Arabic or you have any idea, you can just go to his channel. His channel is quite good in explanation, especially explaining things related to Revit, Navisworks, Dynamo, or any other contents. So if you can understand this, you can go there. If you can't, I will provide in this tutorial contents based on the model he shared. So so that's all for that. Let's go and start our project.